one car is 1999 Chrysler 300M. I'm removing the alternator. The trick is you need to get the extension with the sway bar, otherwise it's really hard. If you can see it, guys, I'm going to show you how you remove the bolt. I put the bolt, it's 13mm. I put it right there from underneath, and just this is the way you can use it, otherwise it's really hard to get that bolt and lose the tension and remove the bolt. This is the trick. You need the long extension with the 13mm sway ball. Next step is this. You need a 15mm ratchet around the tensioner bolt and use it, and then you get to go. You need to take the belt, and I'm removing alternator for this car, but this is the hardest part. The rest is easy. Next step is this long ratchet with the 15mm bottom bolt. I'm just turning the wrench, losing it, and then this one, this is the 15mm, and then I will show you how you can remove it. Hey guys, this is the same car, and I want to tell you something. You need to have the tools to work on this car and remove the alternator belt, otherwise you're gonna struggle with this a lot. This is another bracket behind the alternator. If you see, I put the 13mm socket and the long ratchet to remove it. Every bolt I'm removing, I'm just using any special tool. You guys, the final step, the hardest one, you need to remove this bracket, the whole thing. See, to be able to remove this bolt. This is too long, and it's holding here. There's a couple bolts, like 7mm, 13, 10. Remove it, push it back, slide it back, and remove this bolt. That's it.